Today we're gonna clean some Apple headphones. I have the Air Maxes, and then I also have some AirPods that are dirty. These are my kids, and these are somebody who works here, and these ones are pretty gross. I have a pinch of powder Tide in some warm water in a bowl here. And I'm starting with the AirPod Pro Maxes, or whatever these things are called. So the cushions actually come off of these, which is very helpful. And then we can just kind of wipe these down. This part is pretty gross and dirty. You can buy replacements for these, but they're like $70. I'm trying to save you guys some money here. So let's clean them first. I Googled Apple's directions on how to clean these, so I'm following it so that it does avoid your warranties. So right here, we've got kind of a stain. And I'm just gonna go gentle. I honestly think you could soak these if you wanted to. It just feels like they're foam, but it would take a long time probably for them to dry. It already looks way cleaner compared to that one. Look at the difference in these. I've cleaned this one and I haven't cleaned this one yet. It looks really, really good. Apple's website also says you can use isopropyl alcohol if you want to disinfect, like especially the hard parts, and probably this. You can use isopropyl alcohol on material too. So I have these little things cleaned up. Now I'm going to do the case, and then I want to do the outside of these. This has a couple of scuffs on it. I want to just see if the magic eraser will get it off. Yep, look at that. Yeah, they look brand new. Now this kind of has a little bit of fabric on the inside, some netting, mesh kind of, and it's filthy, so I'm gonna try to clean it. And I'm gonna guess that this is grease from hair. It's dirty. These ones are all done, letting them dry out before I put them back together. And then I'm going to do now these AirPods Pro. These are AirPod Pros. So you can pop these off. You can order new ones. Look at, there's some earwax right there. You can get a good chunk of it. But if these are really gross, you can order replacements. But again, it's Apple, so things cost a lot of money. So we'll clean these. Okay, so I have this little tool from Amazon. It's like specifically made just to clean headphones, but not everyone's gonna buy this, so I also think let's just try and use it, a toothpick and some Q-tips. This works good, don't get me wrong, but let's try the easy way, the cheap way. Oh my god, look at this wax, this is disgusting. I think this is my kid. Do the other one. More earwax, scrape it out of there. Now I've just wet the tip of my Q-tip. I'm gonna go right in there like it's an ear. It has net, so don't push too hard because you'll break the, see how it has kind of that little netting? Just gonna wipe. Again, you can use isopropyl alcohol on this if you want to disinfect them, which, like, disinfecting the stuff you put in your ears isn't a bad idea. So here's a place where there's hidden earwax built up. Oh my god, that's disgusting. It's not that disgusting. I've seen gross obviously in my life, but that's nice to get that off. And also, I bet you that would clog up the sound. Okay, so I have a very lightly damp Q-tip here just to get down and in. I don't really want to get the charging port soaked, but I want to clean this and like see how it's dirty in there in the cracks. She said they were absolutely filthy. They're not that bad. Will that get in there? Oh yeah, that gets in because it's kind of pliable. That was so easy to clean. It took like 10 minutes, you guys. So your stuff isn't wrecked, just clean it.